This is the rear door sill of my 95 Saturn wagon, and basically I've cut out the rust here and all through here. So now we've got this big gaping hole. I'm going to go cut out the door sills on a scrap car and graft them in. And here's the panel clamped into place. It's really a nice tight fit. Time to weld. Okay, as far as our door sill goes, here's our final product. You know, it's not perfect, but it's solid. Everything is welded together. All the seams have welds. Good penetration. And then this bumpy texture, I painted this whole thing with truck bed liner just to give it a nice durable finish. Now there's one other piece of trim that needs to go on there that I haven't put on yet, so it looks kind of funny. Underneath here, here's our trailing arm mount. You can see that I've painted everything up. Try to prevent rust there. And the trailing arm, I also cleaned and painted that. It's got some mud and dirt on it now, but ought to hold up pretty well. Quite a project. Thanks for watching.